Meaning of Isaac Bashevis Singer.
Isaac Bashevis Singer.
Isaac Bashevis Singer.
Isaac Bashevis Singer.
Isaac Bashevis Singer. Isaac Bashevis Singer was a Polish-American writer who is widely considered one of the most important Yiddish-language authors of the 20th century. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1978 for his impassioned narrative art which, with roots in a Polish-Jewish cultural tradition, brings universal human conditions to life. Singer's works often explored Jewish identity, spirituality, and the complexities of human relationships, and they have been widely translated into English and other languages.